Good morning, everybody. It's the day before FOMC, and market is gapping up open, most likely because of Microsoft. All right, let's see what's going on. ES last night, 3 a.m. start jumping up. Yep, 3 a.m. was it, right? Yep, 3 a.m. start jumping up, and the Microsoft gap up open, push ticks higher. SPY already made a new all-time high pre-market right now. After the report of 8:30 and the retail report, it's just a yo-yo range for now. Most likely, it's possible we open up, and we'll see if market is going to continue jumping up higher, or it's going to be another consolidation yo-yo choppy day. Um, Pre-market right now, 30 is still upward. 1 hour got a golden cross. That's a very good sign. 4 hour we're still in the dark blue bars in the ES, and but keep in mind these ES are new contracts, so it's already had a gap up yesterday. SPY is gonna be different, and the daily MACD is golden cross upward. Weekly we got a dark light blue bar on the weekly. If the weekly MACD golden cross confirms on the indexes, then we are good for a shoot up into election. NQ, same thing, like ES gap up on Monday because of the new contracts on the futures. Um, Pre-market right now, mixed signal on the 15 is up, 31 hours upward, 4 hours kind of flat, daily is upward, but again, these are future contracts that is gap up, so better look at SPY and QQQ. Dow Jones new all-time high, DXY jumping up after the report is coming up. 4 hours curved up, so the DXY, if it comes up, not gonna be good for techs. Just keep that in mind. If it goes above 101.37, gotta be a little bit cautious. The 10 year, it went down, now it's recovered and came up again. In general, it's still bearish downward on daily and weekly, but we'll see what the tomorrow FOMC does to it. Wix, it was red, it was green, right now it's just flat. 4 hours golden crossing on Wix, that's not a good sign. So just keep in mind 1726, if it pass, market can get in a pullback mode. Um, if it goes below 1639, next target is 1586 and more squeeze up for market. SPX making a new all-time high, so right now ES is 21 points higher. So SPX all-time high is 5669. Um, so we are looking at, we close 5633, so that's 53. So 56, 57 is a major level to watch. If we do break it that today at the open, then we are looking for run up to 5663, 5671, 5680. If 5650 can hold it, supports are 5646, 36, and 29. BTC jump up, running up, passing near 60K. 4 hours golden crossing. Daily MACD is already in the golden cross, so it's all about 60K. If it's 60K pass, if the last week high breaks it, cryptos stocks can fly up bigger, higher, and FOMC should have a huge effect on cryptos. So keep that in mind. ETH 2% higher. What else you got here? Apple. So Apple gap down again a little bit. Even though market is green and up, Apple is down. Keep in mind, Apple weekly MACD is that cross, so it is in a bearish trend. Daily is downward, 4 hours downward. I saw news that they're discounting even their iPhones. The new iPhone is already in discount in China, so this one doesn't have that much good news on it. 214.49, if you can hold it. Next major levels are 213, 211, 210.74. Needs to get above 216 to run back up to 219, 221. Amazon gap up 1-2 points. Pre-market right now 31 hours upward, 4 hours still pointing down, but in general it's still very bullish on daily. So next key levels are 186, 188. Once we pass 188, then we're looking for 190, 192, 195. Supports are 185. Below that, it can go back to there. Nvidia running up 1-2 points up. Pre-market right now 15:30, 1 hours upward, 4 hours curving up a little bit. And note, keep in mind the daily MACD is golden cross. One thing about Nvidia is that it made higher lows, but at the same time it's making lower highs. So we went to 140 all-time high, Then we came down and came up and went to 130, and right now it came to 120, and it's a little bit hard for it to break. So it's kind of making a peanut, making a wedge, like, let me show you here. To come on, it's kind of making something like this in the range. So it's going higher, lower, lower, higher, then until we get a monster breakout. I'm gonna draw that trend on and share it on my Twitter later. But anyway, and yeah, you can see here it went to 97, it bounced back to 130, and now it came to 100, it bounced back to 120. So yeah, just want to point that out. Anyway, 118.68, if it passes, then we're looking at 120.24, 122, 125. Supports are 116, 113, and 112. AVGO, AVGO 4 hours already dead cross, so there is a little bit weakness there on the 4 hour, but in general it's still very bullish on daily. 166.6, that's a key level to watch. Past that one, 168, 170 next major. If 164, 163 can hold it, back to 161 and 160. It already had a monster run up, so possibly a few days consolidation. If it did wanted to run down yesterday, but it again held up. Coin gap of 4 points thanks to Bitcoin. 167, 171 next major level. Daily MACD can have a golden cross this week. We got a yellow bar on the TTM squeeze yesterday, and 30 and 1 hour is upward. So yeah, keep in mind on the 165 if pass, 167, 171, and BTC 60K if it passes can get interesting. Netflix opening above 700. That's interesting. Daily MACD is near golden cross. Weekly same thing. Earning is in 1 week. So this one is possible to go for higher. 703, 708 next major level. And then if 708 pass, you're looking at 711, 717, and 722. If 699 can hold it, 690, 684 next support levels. Meta, new all-time high, not too far, 544. So yesterday was very interesting. It When it fell, let me see if I can see it. When it fell, market was falling still, but this one was one of the first that did some recovery, and then it made it some yo-yo, and then 5 minutes MACD golden cross, 15 golden cross, 13 golden cross, 1 hour golden cross, and it was just IV was going up. You can see here IV start running up after 130 once it made this jump. When IV goes up, that means algos are getting bullish. So anyway, gapping up open thanks to market green too. Pre-market right now, 15 is golden crossing, 30 same. 1 hour is still very bullish, 4 hours still very bullish. Daily MACD is golden cross, all about 538.96. If it can pass that one, we're looking at 543, 547, 554, 562. Those are the next major level. All-time high 544. Supports are 536, 534, 533. If it goes below 533, usual for Meta, making new all-time high, big dump. Just keep that in mind. Tesla, 3 points gap up, all about 230 major level. 1 hour is golden cross. I love that when a name does 1 hour golden cross. 30 is upward, 15.5 is up. So it's all about 229.95. Past that one, we're looking at 230, 232. Need to pass 232 is strong for running up to 233, 235, 237. This few catalysts is October 10. Also, when end of this month they're gonna announce their quarterly report, so probably before that we're gonna have a big run up. Maybe this is the beginning, and I like that 1 hour golden cross. 230 to 35 passes, it can easily go to 250. Microsoft, gap up open. This is really interesting. Microsoft, usually stocks wait for the earning day to announce their buyback, dividend increase, and this kind of stuff, and suddenly out of nowhere yesterday they did it. So that was interesting. It had a monster run up already. Now a gap up. All-time high is 468. Maybe makes it before there. Maybe makes it there before the earning. So 440.85. That's a key level to watch. Past that one, we're looking at 442, 444. That's the next major level. Above that, 446, 449, 451. If it gets crazy. Pre-market 5 and 15 is already downward. 30 is curved down. 1 hour and 4 hours still very bullish. If 540 supports are 435 and 432. Yeah. Google to need to pass 160 mental level. Daily MACD is golden cross, 4 hours still upward on the MACD, but we get a dark blue bar on the TTM squeeze. I like that the 1 hour MACD is golden cross. All about 159.86 past that one. We're looking at 160, 161, and 162.43. Two supports are 158 and 157. AMD gapping up 2 points. 1531 hours upward, all about 154.67 past that one. Next major level is 156.93. Above that can run up to 158, 161, and 164. SMCI opening 5 points higher. Yesterday was a strong, but it had weakness into the close. 456 if it passed. We're looking at 460 and 466. 30 and 115 is up. 1 hour is golden crossing. So we'll see. 456 pass. Those good target. SPY new all-time high and running right now. So 465, 460. I'm sorry, 565, 566 next major level. Once we pass 566, sky's the limit. 568, 571, 32. That's the next major level. My next target is 578.93. That's the next major level. If FOMC comes crazy, not impossible to get there by Friday. Just showing you my next long targets. 604. Man, my fibs are all the way to 1100. God knows when we're gonna get there. Anyway, to do 4 hours golden crossing, I like that one. 1 hour is golden cross, 30 is upward, and daily MACD is upward. We are in a bullish trend. QQQ 515 is upward, 15 is golden crossing, 31 hours upward. Need to get a 4 hour golden cross for bigger run up on techs. Next major level there is 479, 483, 479.88, and 483.45. What else you got here? IWM, all about 219.42. Past that one, we're looking at 223, 227. I think the biggest move that can happen after the FOMC is on the small caps, IWM. So it's good to grab both sides before FOMC announcement, or maybe before Powell. SMH going above, I think, high of last week. Next major levels are 240, 248, 256. What else? GS showing some strength. All about 490, 495 is next major. JP Morgan start running up. 29 pass, we're looking at 210, 212. MSTR gapping up 3 points, 4 points. 138 pass, we're looking at 140, 142. What else here? Arm gapping up to 3 points. 140, 194 pass, we're looking at 144 and 146. ORCL is just crazy. Every day jump up, then pull back, then jump up. This is just in this discovery zone. 175, 180, 63. Those are the next major level. INTC got a gap up open, but now it's crapping down. So this name is still, to me, is dead. Shop got an upgrade. And this one, 76.35. Next passes, we're looking at 78, 78, 81, 21. All right, thank you so much for tuning in, and have a beautiful, lovely day.